How easy is this power station to use? Well, super easy. Hi, I'm Diana, and I am not a tech guru. I am just someone that did not want to be without power in the event of an emergency or a blackout. So I am going to give you the best non-technical review of this product that an average person will appreciate. There are a number of ports for charging on this unit. You have 6 120-volt AC outlets, 4 USB ports, and one 60-watt Type-C port. You also have 2 wireless phone charging pads on top. Now, people wonder, just what will this power? For example, you could power a fan for 42 hours or a coffee maker for 60 cups. It's really not meant to power your home, but this is just to give you some basic comfort and support while the power is out. It is portable, so you can take it on the road with you, put it in your RV. In fact, if you have an electric car and you're concerned about being stuck in the middle of nowhere, if you do run out of power, this will get you 11 more miles of energy. Now, that may not sound like a lot, but electric cars do take a lot of electricity, and 11 miles might be just what you need to get to your destination to get back into charging mode. You can use solar panels to charge this, and it will take up to 700 watts of input. So you could get a couple 350 watt panels or 7 100 watt panels. Now, to charge this unit, it will take about 6 to 7 hours of charging at 700 watts. Now, you can also recharge this just plugging this into an outlet for about 5 hours. You can use a gas generator or your car battery. The most important thing to me and why I got this is now I have peace of mind having this ready to go if I need it, and I highly recommend you consider it as well for that reason.